Ito talaga isa sa pinaka-paboritong ulam namin sa bahay kasi gusto to ng mga bata. Chicken curry!
Simpol, luto na ha.
So, sisimulan natin yung ating chicken curry. Very important talaga that we season our chicken, no? Yung gagawin mo, do it ahead of time, no? So, mga 15 minutes before. And I will heat up my pan. And itong recipe na to, contribution to ni Lance Darapoli. Yan, paborito din nila sa pamilya niya. At ninuluto niya to lagi. Sinasangkot siya muna niya yung kanyang chicken before starting, which is a very good idea. Why? Because it will help you develop more flavor, no? Yung pag mag-brown yung ating manok, no? Dagdag linamnam yan. At ngayon ko lalagay yung aking mga ricado. So, meron tayong bawang, luya. And I will also add, kasi yung ating patatas and carrots also take time to cook. So, lalagay ko na rin siya. Be sure to remove the water. Sinusok natin siya sa tubig or tubig na may suka para hindi mangitim, no? Ayan. So, ngayon, if you want to add your special seasonings, you can. So, ito, based sa recipe niya, gumagamit siya ng special na seasoning, no? Pwede ding wala, no? So, it's really up to you. Stir natin. Gisa-gisa. And sobrang bango. Ito pa lang siya, mabangong-mabango na. And now, it's time to add our chicken curry. We are using UFC curry powder. And guys, itong recipe na to is part of the UFC 50th anniversary cookbook, which you can get for free. I-download nyo lang at may link dito sa ating post. So, I'm using around 3 tablespoons because I really like the intense curry flavor. And we can add a little water or chicken stock. I'll add a little water. Konti lang ha, not too much because we want it to be very creamy. So, ito lang siya just to make sure that our potatoes, our carrots, and chicken are cooked through before we add our gata, no? So, I will let that simmer. Almost cooked na siya. Patatas natin almost cooked. Ang carrots natin almost cooked. That is the time we add our gata. And, ito, kakang gata. Very thick coconut cream. Drizzle it around beautifully. Yan. And we let that simmer, no? Ano? Ito talaga, no? Pag chicken curry, dapat may sauce. Hindi pwedeng wala. Yan. Kasi paano na yung rice? But, I will also finish with a little bit of black pepper. So, let's add our black pepper. Yan. Konti lang. Black pepper. Let's cover it up. And lastly, we will add our bell peppers. And we will plate. And our chicken curry is done. Pinahinaan ko na yung aking heat. And the sauce is now very thick. Ay, ay, ay. And I will just add my bell peppers at the last moment. Yan. Lutong-luto na yung ating chicken curry. Yan. And it's so yummy. Diba? Napaka-simple-licious ng ating recipe for today. We had our sauce and our vegetables and all that. Ako, yung gusto ko dito, yung aking patatas, yung super lambot. One of my favorite dishes, chicken curry. Simple!